Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Thank you very much for being with me again today. A color revolution started in Serbia. It's not a spontaneous revolution. I think as many revolutions are fueled and, supported, channeled by outside external factors on the foundation of the, how should I put it, domestic unrest. Now, there were some elections in Serbia, and like in any elections, obviously there were some irregularities. Obviously, if that happens in the United States of America and the right people win, and you say, hey, there were some irregularities, you're called a denier. If that happens, let's say in Serbia, and Vucic, someone who these guys don't like, wins the elections, those irregularities that people claim there were, they're not called deniers. They're called, legitimate concerns and all that. Why? Because these guys are hypocrites. They don't have values. They have selective values that apply whenever it fits their interest. Whenever they win an election, they like democracy. Whenever they lose an election, they don't like democracy. So I will start, as I said at the beginning, irregularities are in all elections. Why? Because nothing is perfect. Right? The problem is how you look at it. You have principles, you apply your principles across the board, not selectively. So there were some violent actions in Belgrade, in Serbia, and you have the Russians and the Serbians claiming that the Westerns started a Maidan-like revolution like they did, according to some, in Ukraine in 2014.